Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. In the competitive landscape of large sports sedans, the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing rises as a pinnacle of performance, luxury, and sophistication, embodying Cadillac's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences while maintaining the brand's renowned comfort and refinement. As the ultimate expression of Cadillac's V-Series lineup, the CT5-V Blackwing sets a new standard for high-performance sedans, combining track-ready dynamics with premium amenities. At the heart of the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing lies a formidable supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive configuration, the CT5-V Blackwing offers blistering acceleration and breathtaking performance on demand. With its dynamic handling characteristics and performance-tuned suspension, the CT5-V Blackwing delivers unparalleled agility and precise handling, making it equally at home on the track and the open road. The CT5-V Blackwing's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and aerodynamic design. Cadillac's magnetic ride control, adaptive suspension, and performance Brembo brakes ensure exceptional ride comfort and confident stopping power, allowing the CT5-V Blackwing to tackle corners with precision and stability. The sedan's lightweight construction and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to its nimble responsiveness and impressive stability at high speeds. Visually, the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing exudes a commanding presence, with its aggressive styling and distinctive V-Series accents. Its exterior features a bold grille, sculpted aerodynamic lines, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance-oriented character. The CT5-V Blackwing rides on 19-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional carbon fiber exterior packages allow drivers to further enhance the CT5-V Blackwing's aerodynamics and visual appeal. Inside the cabin, the CT5-V Blackwing offers a luxurious and driver-focused environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The interior boasts sports seats with leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with carbon fiber accents, and aluminum trim accents. The CT5-V Blackwing is equipped with Cadillac's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium AKG sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. The sedan comes equipped with Cadillac's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Additionally, the CT5-V Blackwing offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the CT5-V Blackwing promises an exhilarating driving experience that will satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.